Are you melting in your own home right now, staring at a noisy window unit that barely works? I have tested the top mini split ACs on the market, so you do not have to guess which one will actually cool your space without doubling your power bill. 6. DELLA Vario Series 12,000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner. I wanted to test this one because it is incredibly popular for people on a strict budget. It promises efficient cooling and heating without breaking the bank, and on paper, it really looks like a fantastic deal for anyone trying to cool a single room. When I first got it running, I will admit, it pushed out some seriously cold air almost immediately. If your only goal is to drop the temperature in a hot garage or a small workshop, the cooling power here is definitely noticeable right out of the gate. It handles a decent-sized room fairly quickly, which is exactly what you want when you walk indoors on a sweltering August afternoon. But here is what matters when you actually have to live with a unit day in and day out: the noise level. I mean, it is not a jet engine by any means, but there is a distinct low-level hum from the indoor air handler that you just do not get with higher-tier models. If you are a light sleeper, putting this right above your bed in the master bedroom might drive you a little crazy after a while. Another thing I noticed during my time with it was the whole installation process. They market these as relatively simple to set up for the average person, but the instructions provided were, let us just say less than helpful. Number 5. Senville Aura Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. Senville is a name that pops up absolutely everywhere when you start researching mini splits, and the Aura series is supposedly their premium step-up model. I had pretty high hopes for this one going in, especially considering the specifications they advertise online. The energy efficiency on this unit is actually great. It boasts a really high SEER rating, which basically means it sips electricity rather than gulping it. I noticed that it managed to maintain a very steady, comfortable temperature in my testing space without constantly cycling on and off. That is exactly what you want from a modern inverter compressor. However, my experience was not entirely smooth across the board. The remote control and the whole Wi-Fi app situation, well, it leaves a lot to be desired. The mobile app would drop connection randomly, and trying to set up a simple daily schedule felt way more complicated than it needed to be. I mean, we expect smart appliances to actually be smart, right? Also, while the indoor unit is decently quiet, the outdoor compressor kicked on with a noticeably harsh vibration. I had it mounted on a solid concrete bracket, but the low resonance was still there in the background. If you install this directly outside a thin wall where you spend a lot of time watching TV or reading, that low rumble might genuinely get on your nerves. Overall, the Senville Aura is a strong performer when it comes to raw climate control and saving money on your monthly energy bill. 4. Mountman Mini Split AC/heating system. This was a bit of a surprise contender for me. You do not always hear this brand name tossed around with the big industry giants, but I was genuinely impressed by what they put together here. First off, the installation setup they provide is surprisingly straightforward and well thought out. The pre-charged condenser and the overall quality of the included copper line sets actually felt like they belonged to a much more expensive premium system. It took out a lot of the frustrating guesswork, and everything threaded together tightly and securely on the first try. When you turn it on, the difference in air delivery is immediate and very pleasant. It features this really smooth, sweeping louver action that distributes the cold air across the room evenly, rather than just blasting you in the face with a single concentrated stream. I mean, nobody likes sitting in a freezing wind tunnel in their own living room, and this unit avoids that completely. I also really appreciated exactly how quiet this unit is during heavy operation. Even when I bumped it up to the absolute highest fan speed to quickly cool down a stifling hot room, the noise was mostly just the soft sound of rushing air. There was no mechanical rattling or annoying motor whine. It just fades into the background exactly like a good air conditioner should. For the price point, the Mountman is punching way above its weight class. It handles both heating and cooling beautifully through the changing seasons. The build quality feels incredibly solid, and it just gets the job done without any unnecessary drama. 3. YITAHOME Mini Split Air Conditioner. Honestly, aesthetics are not everything when it comes to HVAC equipment, but this unit has a surprisingly sleek, minimalist design. It actually looks modern and clean, so it does not end up looking like a giant plastic eyesore hanging on your living room wall. Beyond just looking nice, the rapid cooling technology they use is highly effective. I tested their turbo mode after leaving a room baking in the direct afternoon sun for hours. The YITAHOME managed to drop the ambient temperature significantly in just under 15 minutes. It pushes a massive volume of air very efficiently when you are in a rush to cool down. One feature I really loved testing was the independent dehumidifier mode. You know those awful summer days where it is not actually that hot, but the air just feels incredibly heavy and sticky? Running this unit on dry mode pulled an incredible amount of moisture out of the air, making the room feel instantly cooler and far more comfortable without freezing us out. The remote control is also remarkably intuitive and clever. There's a built-in sensor in the remote itself, so the unit adjusts its cooling based on the temperature directly around you on the couch, rather than the temperature way up at the ceiling where the wall unit is mounted. It is a small detail, but it makes a massive difference in your everyday comfort. Bottom line, YITAHOME has created a highly capable, visually appealing piece of machinery. 2. Albott Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heater. Let me just say, this unit completely blew me away with its feature set. If you want a brilliant workhorse that essentially takes care of itself, this is the one you need to be looking at very closely. The absolute standout feature here is the self-cleaning function. Over time, mini splits get incredibly dusty and moldy inside, which ruins their efficiency and blows allergens right into your room. The Albott actually freezes the indoor evaporator coils and then rapidly thaws them, naturally washing away all the dirt and grime out the drain pipe. I tested it, and it genuinely keeps the airflow smelling perfectly fresh week after week. Its heating performance is equally impressive. A lot of budget mini splits totally struggle when the outside temperature drops below freezing. The Albott, however, has a built-in low ambient heating capability. I mean, it was pulling heat out of practically freezing outdoor air and keeping the indoor testing space perfectly toasty without breaking a sweat. The smart integration here actually works seamlessly, unlike some of the others we talked about earlier. Connecting it to Wi-Fi was totally painless. Being able to turn the AC on from my phone while I was still driving home from work, just so I could walk into a perfectly chilled house, well, that is just a luxury you get used to really fast. The Albott is an exceptional machine all around. It is incredibly energy efficient, the self-cleaning tech saves you massive maintenance headaches down the road, and it runs virtually silently in the background. Daikin Seer 2 Entra R32 Series Ductless Mini Split. Look, Daikin practically invented modern ductless heating and cooling. When you actually get your hands on the Entra series and test it, you immediately understand exactly why they remain the gold standard. Let me explain why this specific unit is so incredibly special. It uses the new R32 refrigerant. Without getting overly technical and boring you, this stuff is vastly more efficient at carrying heat than the older refrigerants used in most other brands. It also has a much lower environmental impact. It means the compressor does not have to work nearly as hard to give you freezing cold air, which dramatically lowers your power bill. When I tell you this indoor unit is quiet, I mean it is practically dead silent. During my testing, I actually had to walk right up to the wall and check if the little green power light was on because I literally could not hear the motor running from my couch. The engineering tolerances inside this machine are simply on another level entirely. And then there is the longevity factor. You buy a Daikin when you want a unit that is going to last for 15 or 20 years without failing. The outdoor condenser is treated with a specialized anti-corrosion coating that holds up against heavy rain, salt, and intense sun way better than the cheaper sheet metal used by nearly all of its competitors. Bottom line, if you have the budget for it, just get the Daikin. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.